Dash Pack is another entry into the Badlands Ultralight series and is a great day pack option for those looking to go light and fast, but also have the Badlands Hypervent suspension system. The Dash Pack comes in just under 2,000 cubic inches of storage and right around 3.5 pounds of weight. Unique features of the Dash Pack include the Delron flex frame on the back, which is going to give your pack some form, keep it kind of suspended away from your back, and be easier to fill up with items. The Dash Pack also features rear and side compression straps. What that's going to allow is you to strap some of those taller items up the side if you'd like a tripod, spotting scope, cinch them down nice and tight, use that stretch pocket on the bottom for support. The Dash Pack is bow and rifle carry compatible using this rear compression strap and the included bow and rifle boot in the pack. If you want more lashing across the front of the Dash Pack, you do have hidden daisy chain here along the front of the pack. You can pull that out, use it if you'd like to lash things to the pack, but it'll completely hide away when you're not using it. The Dash Pack features two main compartments, with the front one having your organization built in. You're going to have several zippered pockets inside that front pocket to organize those smaller items you're carrying throughout your hunt and you want to keep track of. You're also going to have side stretch pockets on both sides of the pack and an additional waist belt pocket on either side of your waist belt. Like all packs in the Badlands lineup, the Dash is hydration compatible both internally and externally. Inside, you're gonna be able to get a 3-liter hydration reservoir, run that tube up and over your shoulder strap, have that hydration nice and handy while you're out there hunting. You can also utilize the side stretch pockets if you want to carry extra water bottles. The Hypervent suspension keeps that pack suspended away from your back and has a channel of airflow between your back and the pack at all times. It really does make a great difference when you're hiking around, keeping you cool and relieving that sweaty back syndrome that you get when you're wearing a backpack. The Dash also features our new pistol carry holsters on either side of the waist belt. You do get a nice hefty waist belt on the Dash, which is going to distribute that weight down through the polycarbonate frame into the waist belt and get that weight down on your hips where it should be and off of your shoulders. We also instituted our new reverse tighten waist belt on the Dash Pack, so you're pulling from the outside in instead of the inside out. Easy to get more leverage and get that pack nice and tight on your waist. The Dash Pack is the perfect choice for those looking to find something in the Ultralight series and featuring the Badlands Hypervent suspension. And as always, everything with that Red Bull skull is going to be covered by our unconditional performance, quality, comfort, and warranty.
The 108-4283 Schrade Cage Ultra Glide pocket knife combines a stylish cage handle with a 2.76-inch 9CR18 Movi high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade. This creates the perfect lightweight EDC companion for any slicing task. Open the 108-4283 with the finger flipper to engage the Ultra Glide ball bearing system for a silky smooth opening, or use the thumb hole for a steady, controlled opening experience. The titanium-coated blade is held open by way of the frame lock. Perfectly contoured and with added slip resistance, the titanium nitride handle with G10 inlays stays securely in hand. Keep the 108-4283 Schrade close by your side with the tip-up pocket clip. This is the 108-4283 Schrade Cage Ultra Glide Folding Knife.
This is the LifeStraw Go insulated stainless steel water bottle with filter. You can fill it up with water from here, here, or here, and filter it on the go. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that trap bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. Then, an activated carbon filter absorbs chemicals like chlorine, herbicides, and pesticides for improved taste. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face.